Guys, ito na siguro yung pinakamura at pinakasulit na budget beachfront hotel sa Boracay. Ito yung Bamboo Beach Resort Boracay, located sa Station 3, and for as low as 865 per pax, you get to enjoy these benefits. Sa visit ko na ito lang ang may welcome drinks. Nga pala, you can book this via Klook and use my Klook promo codes in St. Klook or in St. Hotel for an additional discount para mas makamura tayo. So we booked their standard triple room which features 32 square meters, a garden view, rep, bathroom, TV, aircon, safety deposit box, and many more. Pagpasok mo, may Pag-ibig shaped towels. So they have all of the basic things that you're going to see in a room. Yung bathroom nila simple lang pero ang importante is may bidet. Ayos, diba? But wait, there's more. I would say na isa sila sa pinupuntahan ng mga tao dahil mura lang ang kanilang breakfast, even their lunch and their dinner. By the way, hindi masyado to kalayuan sa Station 2 at Station 1 as in walking distance lang siya. So if you're planning to go to Boracay, consider Bamboo Beach Resort because this is an insane hotel. Let's go! Don't forget to use my Klook promo codes!